A day in my life as a small business owner in Australia. Hi, my name is Jess. I'm a mom, a small candle business owner, and a part-time nurse. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung last expo na sanalihan namin dito sa Melbourne. This is our third time to join the event, so medyo alam na namin what things we need to bring and to prepare. Here, I'm setting up the booth. Super excited na kami sa pagdating ng mga guests. Medyo natagalan lang kasi kailangan namin dalhin yung anak namin kasi walang mag-aalaga. While I'm preparing the booth, my husband Dan tries to keep her busy and entertained. Anyway, we were so happy to finally meet some of our customers in person. Nag-travel pa talaga yung iba just to smell our fragrances. Super nakakakilig. It was also a pleasure to be interviewed by my good friend Skip. If you haven't followed him yet, please do so. So, ayun, pack up time. Nakakapagod but it's super worth it. Pwede nyo pala i-check yung mga scents and candles namin sa www.lampara.com.au or check us on Instagram at lampara.au. Maraming salamat!